Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, a table for an exponential function. So all we're doing is making sure we understand how exponential functions work, and we're going to evaluate it for these 5 values. So we have all our x's, we just need to plug them in and see how this works. So for this one, we have f of x equals 1/8 raised to the negative second power. So remember, anytime you have a negative exponent, it just reciprocates the base. So this is 1/8, so it's going to flip to 8 over 1, or just 8, and the number will stay the same. That just takes care of the negative, so it'll be 8, or 8 over 1 if you wish, but 8 raised to the positive 2 power, or 64. Okay. And then moving along, f of x 1/8 raised to the negative first power, still negative, so I'm still going to flip it and get 8, but this is to the positive first power, which is just 8. Anything to the first power is itself. So 1/8 raised to the 0 power. Remember, anything raised to the 0 power is 1, with the possible exception of 0 to the 0 power, but we don't have that. We have 1/8 to the 0 power, so that'll just come out to a nice 1. F of x, so we have x equals 1 now, so 1/8 to the first power. Anything to the first power is equal to itself, as we mentioned with the 8 to the first power, so this will be 1/8. And last but not least, 1/8 squared. So whenever you have a fraction raised to a power, you're going to square the top and square the bottom, square the numerator and the denominator. So it's 1 squared over 8 squared. So 1 squared is 1, 8 squared is 64. So we just get 1 over 64 as our answer there. So you probably noticed that these do have a nice pattern here. 1, 8, 1 over 8, 64, 1 over 64. And that is going to continue for this type of pattern here, since it's just a regular fraction there. So there you go. There's your table.